Hi, my name is Jean and welcome to my channel on how to launch your first online training business. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some key features that Thinkific has made available if you are looking to sell primarily B2B. So what does that mean? If you're looking to sell training to businesses, corporations, or other groups and organizations, Thinkific has made it a lot simpler and added a whole host of exciting features. So I'm going to share with you and walk you through some of the key features that makes B2B selling on Thinkific so much easier so that you can spend less time on manual tasks and more on the important business goals of building relationships, building quality training so that businesses can develop a long-term relationship with you. So I'm going to walk you through a few key features within Thinkific specifically that helps you sell to other businesses. One, it's seat management. So if you are not familiar with this idea of seat management, basically if you have an HR manager who is looking to enroll their employees in your training, they can be assigned as the manager and enroll the users and enroll the employees from their division into your training. They can also send you a CSV sheet with the names and emails so that they can give you that information to upload and enroll them directly into Thinkific. The second feature that makes B2B selling inside Thinkific really simple is invoicing. So one of the main challenges with selling B2B is not only are you building the training, enrolling the users and learners into the training, but you also want to bill the organization. And so Thinkific makes it easy with their invoicing feature so that you can add a new customer, set up existing customers, and then it creates an invoice so that they can directly pay. Now, once they're paid, then they will get a link to pay for those seats, whether it's 1 seat or 10 seats, and be the manager to enroll their employees into the training. And then the third feature that is really exciting under Thinkific Grow Plan for B2B selling is the groups feature. So what you can do is set up the group orders inside Thinkific so that Corporate University 1 is set up as a group, and then you can generate a link specifically for that group to go to your landing page or for your checkout page, and then they can purchase 1 seat or 10 seats, and then after the process, after they complete the checkout process, then they will specifically get enrolled into this specific group. The advantage of using group orders is that you don't have to assign them to a group afterwards. They're already tagged into that specific group. So now let's get started with our tutorial.